Find the 13th term, a sub 13, of the arithmetic sequence 1/2, comma 1, comma 3/2, comma 2, etc. So let's identify a sub 1. The first term is 1/2. The common difference d also happens to be 1/2 because, of course, 3/2 minus 1 is 1/2, or 1 minus 1/2 is 1/2. And n is 13 because we're looking for the 13th term. And now the formula we have is a sub n is equal to the first term, a sub 1, plus n minus 1 times the common difference, d. We want a sub 13, the 13th term. So a sub 13 will be the first term, equal to the first term, which is 1/2, plus 13 minus 1 times the common difference, 1/2. So now a sub 13 will be equal to 1/2 plus 13 minus 1 is 12, 12 times 1/2. So a sub 13 is equal to 1/2 plus 6, and therefore a sub 13, combining the 6 and 1/2, which is 6 1/2, and rewriting it as an improper fraction, a sub 13 equals 13/2.